Hi, sweeties. We are getting ready for the big game. That's right. It's coming up this weekend. So we're going to make a bunch of delicious game day foods, starting with my delicious chili. It's so good. It's so warm in your tummy because it's cold out there, but it'll be warm in here. Let's get into it. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you will get notified every time I make delicious recipes just like this. Let's go over our ingredients before we get started. We've got some ground beef. It is 80-20 ground chuck. We're going to use 4.5 pounds. I'll put all of the ingredients in the description box. Beef broth, tomato paste, diced tomatoes, pinto beans. I don't really like beans in my chili, but my husband does, my son does, so I'll put some in there for you. Roasted red pepper, it's all chopped and ready to go. Onion, chopped and ready to go. Then our spice blend, kosher salt, black pepper, cumin, and chili powder. Sounds good to me. All right, let's go. Beef is getting nice and brown. I'm going to break it up. I love this gadget. I got this from my friend Lisa's Pampered Chef Party. I'll put a link to that up there. I don't want to point with that finger because my nail is broken. Up there. I'll put a link to that, and you can see some of the other cool stuff I got from her party. But I love this gadget. Look how it breaks up the beef so easily. So we're going to continue to let that brown, and then we'll empty it out and do another batch. Our meats look good, nice and brown. I drained off most of the excess fat. Now I'm going to add in the salt and seasoning and mix that. Add in our chopped onion and the roasted red pepper. I like to use roasted red pepper because it doesn't have the skin on it, and it allows it to, break down a little bit into the chili. In with a little bit of tomato paste. And I like to put it in a sort of empty spot in the pan and cook out some of the rawness. Then we'll stir it in with the rest. Add in our can of petite diced tomatoes with the juices. And stir in the beef broth. Alright. I'm going to let it come to a simmer. And cook down nice and slow. I'm also going to add in about 2 cups of water, and I want that water to simmer down. It'll eventually evaporate, but I just want to leave lots of liquid in there for now because this is going to cook for a nice long time, at least an hour and a half, 2 hours. While the chili is simmering, I'm going to pop some big russet potatoes in the oven, and I'm going to serve those with the chili. The chili has been simmering for a couple hours. Now I'm going to add in a can of pinto beans. You can add more if you like. And let it just simmer down a little bit more till those beans are nice and hot. And that is the dish, folks. The chili is ready. I served it in a mini cast iron skillet on top of a baked potato, lots of toppings, cheese, sour cream, jalapenos. Oh, speaking of jalapenos, if you want your chili to be spicy, you can add a jalapeno or 2 with your onions and peppers when you're sauteing them. Or for even more heat, add a serrano pepper. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant and hit that notification bell to get more delicious recipes just like this one.